Hello friends, today let's discuss about how does self-doubt prevent our growth. Self-doubt means that you don't trust yourself. When you don't trust yourself, you doubt everything you do. Mistrust and doubt only create more obstacles on the way. One of the reasons why people don't achieve success is not that they lack the ability, but don't trust themselves enough. Doubts create negativity, and you think more of failure than success. When the mind is full of negativity, it accepts failure easily. If you want to achieve success, you need to focus on making it happen. Begin everything with confidence. Trust your abilities. You can only achieve success when you leave your doubts behind. Keep smiling, keep trying, keep growing. Don't worry. Love yourself. Enjoy every moment of life. Life is beautiful. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Thank you very much.